Hi there, students. Have you ever wondered what the opposite of to cheer somebody is? Hooray! What's the opposite? Well, you could say to boo, boo, but how about to jeer? Woo. Okay, to jeer is to make sounds to show somebody that you have no respect for them. The politician was jeered as he went into the parliament. He was jeered when he came out of the courtroom. People in the meeting started jeering at the speaker. The crowd jeered at the opposition when they scored. Okay, so to mock, to abuse vocally. Let's see, it says to speak or to shout derisively, but for me to jeer is this sound, woo, woo, woo. This negative sound that people make when they're angry, they're booing. Yeah, so they're mocking the person. They're jeering this person. But to jeer, to cry out with derision or mockery, to deride, to make insulting remarks. He was jeered by the crowd when he tried to speak. Despite the jeers of the crowd, he continued trying to speak. So, a jeer as a noun, or to jeer as a verb. To jeer at somebody, it's to show that you don't respect this person, that you don't like them. Maybe you shout out rude or insulting things, or you just make rude and insulting noises. The film star was jeered by the crowd for the things that he had done. Okay, I don't want to jeer at you for what you've done. I just want to give advice. A crowd of jeering bystanders, to mock, to hector, to deride, to heckle. There was constant jeering and interruption from protesters at the meeting. Okay, so a jeer is a rude, insulting thing that somebody shouts, or a sound that they make to show that they don't like someone, they don't respect them. There were various hecklers in the audience who were jeering, they were mocking, they were ridiculing, they were taunting. Okay, so to jeer, a remark or a cry of derision. Yeah, to jeer at somebody, rude, mocking remarks in a loud voice. So, despite the jeers of the audience, he carried on. Okay, formality, to jeer. Jeers. I think I'm 5.5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, it's probably related to a Dutch word, jeeren, to roar with laughter, to laugh loudly, which is related to a German word, jeeren, to gape or to snap. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Otherwise, you could just jeer at me, but I'm not going to hear it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To jeer. A jeer. Jeers.